Need to reset the chain. Well, all rested up. It's a beautiful morning. It's nice and warm out. Nice fall day. Perfect day to be rolling around on the floor. That's about what I'm gonna do here. Got the motor in, but I gotta crawl back in there underneath and get all these transmission bolts put in, get the torque converter bolted to the flywheel, flex plate, whatever you want to call it. I threw that carpet under there, but I don't know. I think maybe the floor might be cleaner than that carpet. All right, going underneath. So we got the motor all bolted in now. And if you ever plan on doing one of these, it's much easier without the heads, because these upper bolts here for the bell housing are a lot easier to get in with the heads off and just do it in from the top here. With the cylinder heads on, it might be a little difficult to get in there. And this one over here on the passenger side, I actually used a small little magnet to hold the bolt down there and to kind of feed it into the hole. And then you can get to that one from underneath. This one over here on this side is a little bit tighter. It's hard to get to from underneath, so I was able to just get a wrench back in here. But if you had the heads on, that might be kind of difficult. I've done it though. I think the last time I put an engine in a C4, well, it was probably 20 years ago. I'm almost certain I did it with the heads on, but I think this was definitely a lot easier. Harmonic balancer and the pulleys all on. And now it's just time to put the heads on. Okay, here's what we have going on for the heads. So they are the aluminum heads, which I think was mid 86 on up. So this being an 89, it does have the aluminum heads, which is really nice. At least they're lightweight, if nothing else. Not sure that they perform a whole lot better. I think they're like a 58cc chamber. I don't remember off the top of my head, but something like that. Did not replace the valves, but I did lap all the valves. And then new springs, new seals, all that good stuff. And yeah, so we got them resurfaced thanks to Rich down at R&R Machine in Delton, Michigan. Shout out to Rich, he always does a good job for me. So that's pretty much it for that. Those are ready to go. Fel-pro gaskets ready to go. It's pretty much the only gaskets I ever use, fel-pro. And I'll get them bolted on, and after that do the exhaust, and then we'll see where that leaves us after that. Time for the fun part now. Setting a lash on these rockers. So this is a hydraulic cam, so there's really no lash, but set it to 0 lash and half a turn from there. I actually prefer a solid cam because you can use a feeler gauge and set the exact lash. The hydraulic cams with their half a turn lash never really set right with me because it's not a precise measurement. Oops, I mixed them up. This is number 5. And that's number 5 exhaust, so that'll have to go here. Oh, I was getting ahead of myself. Oh well. No big deal. Yeah, 3 comes before 5, you idiot. Oh, look at me go again. Good Lord, man. As my friend Bill would say, Moses, man. Okay. Ha. Now we're on the right track. Holy moly. Well, again, it's getting late, so I'm kind of losing my mind here a little bit.